Let's move on and talk about markets. Dhwani Patel is here with us. Dhwani Patel is the founder of Finversify. Dhwani, good morning. How is it going with you? What are your trading ideas right now? What's your stance on this market? Book profit on rise or tag along with the longs with stop losses?
Good morning, Ajay. Here, when we are talking about the broader market, the sentiment is definitely on the positive side. We are definitely seeing certain buying action coming in on the mid cap and the small caps over here. Even the large caps, certain sectors are seeing picked buying over here in those places. Talking about Nifty specifically, I would suggest that on the higher side, though we are not seeing a fresh breakout coming in above the all-time high that we've made, but on the lower side, the support levels that we are seeing are trailing on the higher side, where we are seeing now that on the Nifty index, 23,150 is an important support level that has to be watched out for. So the momentum that is there on the bullish side is missing, but whereas the overall broader trajectory of the market still remains on the bullish side. Talking about Bank Nifty also, 50,000, which is a psychological level as well, is facing certain hurdle over there in terms of crossing that mark. But once we've crossed 50,000 on the Bank Nifty, we will be seeing further gains coming in, and we'll see Bank Nifty also making new all-time highs. The momentum again over here on Bank Nifty as well is being seen on the missing side. We've been seeing that PSUs as well as certain private banking sectors have not been moving over here. Though comparing the PSU and the private banking, we are seeing more attraction coming in towards the private banking sector today in terms of buying. When we are talking about Bank Nifty on the lower side, the support level has now shifted on the higher side, where the important level to watch out for over here becomes 49,050. 49,050, given that holds out over here, we will be seeing further momentum continuing on the bullish side over here as well. And mid caps is also seen certain picked buying over here. In the mid cap side, the level that one needs to watch out on the lower side is of 11,680. Given 11,680, 11,660 holds out, we will be seeing certain buying action further continuing on mid-cap index as well.
Dhwani, what are your trading ideas?
I have two particular picks over here, Ajay. The first one from my side is on RVNL. We have been also seeing that the buying in this particular sector is on the bullish side, and RVNL on the daily chart is trailing in a higher high, higher low formation. Today, we are seeing volume also picking up above its 20-period average. So it comes as a buy from current levels. 425 is what we will have to watch out as a target for. Stop loss of 379 is suggested. The second pick that I have is Exide. Exide, of course, we've seen that post the stock gave a breakout above 350 levels. There was no looking back, but again, it's ready for a fresh rally. From the current levels, if you go on a short-term target, 575 is expected. Stop loss that you need to maintain over here is of 522.
Okay, Dhwani, on that note, we let you go. Appreciate you making time and speaking with us today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.